Hey everyone, happy Self-Love Sunday. So I know that it can be really difficult to ensure that we take care of ourselves and listen to what our bodies need and what it is that we require, because sometimes we're always giving to others or doing things for others and then kind of leaving ourselves depleted. So make sure this week that you are honoring yourself, honoring your heart, your emotions, your thoughts, making sure that you are being honest with yourself. Where is it that you can give yourself some love and respect? If you are overextending yourself, then take a step back and go within. It's okay to take some time for yourself for some self-reflection. Take a look within. Sometimes we are inundated with the busyness of life that we forget about what it is that we truly need. And I think it's important that we listen to that inner voice and what it is saying to us, what it is, where it's guiding us or assisting, wants us to pay attention to. Sometimes we kind of push that aside because we don't think that our needs are important, but they are. And I've said this before and I'll say it again, you cannot pour from an empty cup. You cannot give from an empty cup. So I hope this helped you, and I will see you next time.